So that was Mario Tennis Fever. What do we all think? Yeah, looks really cool. Yeah, can't wait to play that game. Yeah, yeah, and the store the story mode seems interesting. Yeah, it's kind of like a shonen anime. A what? Shonen. You you haven't heard of the genre before? No. Oh, what's the genre about? Ba- Basically, shonen is basically like a hero that starts off at the bottom and makes his way to the top, defeating his main opponent. Oh, I haven't watched too many anime, so I wouldn't know.